Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Rewrite the Narrative, where it's okay to be curious. Like and share, subscribe, hit that notification bell and drop your comments. Guys, not a single pod cover knocked in Jamaica. I wonder why. No noise in Jamaica. I think that it's not just the Olympics is the reason for this. Jamaica is celebrating a moments of silence. There are times for us to make noise and at times for us to just keep calm. The Olympic happened to fall around the same period of time when we planned to go silent. Hence, the pot cover knocking did not happen. We're not getting anything out of this Olympics. Originally, the enthusiasm was very, very high. Projections were medals on top of medals on top of medals. And then that projection got dim, it got dampered, it got turned off. There's no longer this projections of medals. Right now, it's like Jamaicans are there just waiting to go home. Somebody said this will be a very quiet plane ride home. I don't think it will be a very quiet plane ride. I believe the Jamaicans, they will find some way to shake it off and start all over again. But we the fans, we just need to support the team. Very honest with you, because guess what? The bullying online is real. If you are not careful, you will destroy the athletes. So guys, we have to support the athletes. We have to make sure that we are the positive forces behind them. We're the ones online, we're talking for them. A lot of people are saying that, why don't you guys accept it? Kishane accepted what he got. Kishane accepted what he got. MVP accepted the result. The result is not for Kishane and MVP, it's the fans. Those people are no longer interested in any of this. It's the fans, and the fans will accept or deny it. It will change absolutely nothing. It's the fans are gonna be the ones who are approving or denying it. The same way how Flojo record is accepted on paper and denied by the fans. That's exactly what's happening here. The fans accept and deny it. It doesn't change the fact that every single time you go on to the Olympic website, you see record holder for 100-meter women, Flojo. Record holder for 200-meter women, Flojo. Record holder for 100-meter men, Usain Bolt. Record holder for 200-meter men, Usain Bolt. It is what it is. It's the fans. The fan. And Jamaican fans keep the traffic going. They will put the pressure on you. Jamaica is a big enough brand, as big as the USA. It's just what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. And don't think that Jamaica is just sitting down and being a good boy, or they're going out there trying to be the rebel online. No, Jamaica is being stirred up. We are being stirred up because it makes the internet exciting. It makes Trakan feel exciting. There are absolutely no rivalry without Jamaica right now. If they had a good athlete, one athlete which is a good athlete from somewhere else. Look at Julian Alfred right now. Julian Alfred won, and it's almost a mute point. Julian Alfred won the 100-meter for women, and it's almost like nobody really talk about it. Look at Noah, everybody talking about it. Why? Because Jamaica is involved. America is also involved in that 100-meter. Shakiri got second, and Jefferson got third. But it's like it's quiet. Nobody's even talking about the 100-meter for women. But the 100-meter for men is sensationalized because it is a sensational situation. And the Jamaicans, they are letting their voice be heard. There has never been an Olympics for the past 20 years that Jamaica hadn't been a big deal in. While we are losing right now, we're still a big part of it. We're still a big voice in it. That race between Noah and Kishane is the highlight of the Olympics. Prove me wrong. Is there a better event than it? Is there an event that is more talked about than that one? Which event? World records had been broken, and a lot of you guys don't know which one. The pole vault world record got broken yesterday, but it is underwhelming compared to the 100-meter for men. And why was it so highly anticipated? It's because Jamaica was a part of it. and the US was a part of it. The rivalry was there. Where there are rivalry, the fans will be there. Haven't you seen the rivalry in Jamaica? Jamaica don't rival just outside of Jamaica. They rival inside as well. It's just that Jamaica is united against whoever is challenging Jamaica. It is how it is. But I wanted to clarify why you didn't hear any pot covers being knocked in Jamaica. It is only because we are having a moment of silence for the Independence holiday and for August. Jamaica is a cheerful country. We love winners. However, we talk about winners. If Noah Lyles didn't have anything to talk about, we wouldn't talk about him. American guys, you should be honored. We're talking about Noah Lyles. Do you see anybody else? We don't talk about anybody else. We haven't said anything about Shakiri. Nothing to talk about. Noah Lyles is in the conversation because he's worthy of being in a part of the conversation. Accept it. Noah Lyles will be part of the conversation for the next 4 years. He forced his way into the conversation, and now he will continue to be a part of the conversation. Accept it. But back to the point, no pot cover knocked in Jamaica. You'd wonder if it was a natural disaster that came through. You'd wonder if the hurricane just passed. But just so you guys know, it was a planned outage. No noise in Jamaica for August. Olympics happen to be in July and August. Therefore, the noise in July, August, moment of silence. September, it's back to normal, you know, the regular schedule. I do feel a little bit, I feel some sort of way though about the fact that we are not allowed to make noise in Jamaica. Wish we could. We would be celebrating the independence because today is Jamaica's independence. So happy independence to all of you guys. Happy independence. I still don't feel independent. Shelley Fraser Price is not in the Olympics. Sherika Jackson not in the Olympics. The 400 meter guys struggled. One resulted in injury. It's just a rough Olympics for the Jamaicans. Very, very different. If you think about just the fact that Jamaica, what would the Olympics be without Jamaica? That's the first question, right? The lead up to it, all the enthusiasm, everybody was a part of it. You guys made it fun for Jamaica, and Jamaica made it fun for you. But now that Jamaica is no longer a part of the Olympics, I can see that you're still asking Jamaica to be fun. Jamaica had an outage. There's an outage in Jamaica at the moment. A moment of silence. We still celebrate with you guys, and we are celebrating with the athletes, but there's an outage. We cannot make noise, not at the moment, not until September, so you'll have to bear with us. Nonetheless, it's really sad though. It's really, really sad for, it's a sad Olympics. I don't know how to put it into words. I'm trying to find the words for it. You know, so many different chaos, disasters, and it's not even that it resulted in disaster. It's ongoing disaster. You know, from I don't even want to talk about what's happening in the villages and all of that, because I don't know. We'll have to hear from them. But from what we're seeing, the athletes not showing up. The athletes are injured. The athletes not performing at the highest level. You know, that's what I believe, and I'm sticking with it. I just wanted to let you know, guys. Remember, rewrite the narrative, like, share, and subscribe.